everyone, welcome to another video. Those who are new, welcome, and if you like the video, please consider subscribing because I bring all these types of nail videos in this channel, and whatever I do in this channel is with nails. So in this video I'm going to do a blooming rose with a blossom gel, and I'm using the colors. This is from Madam Glam, this is Austrian Wonder, this is almost like white, so I have taken this color, and this one is pink. Any type of pink you can use. Let me show you the color. This is the color. Any type of pink you can use, and white. Only these two colors are required. So let's begin. So for this nail I will give a single coat of pink color in a very thin way. Always I have told you that don't apply thick layers because it is pigmented, it doesn't cure, and your nails will turn out wrinkly. So it's better if you go with thin layers. Apply 2 or 3 coats, but go with thin layers. Now I'm using this color. Madam Glam gel polishes cures within 30 seconds. Second coat. Second coat. This one also I have given pink color. Now I'll take a palette and we'll take little of this color, and we'll take this blossom gel and we'll apply it on the nail. Don't cure it. Now with a striper brush, I will start forming the rose. Now I will leave this for a few seconds and we'll go to another nail. Don't cure, leave it like this. See, I'm keeping it in front of the camera. Now I'll take the pink color, apply the blossom gel, Now we'll take the pink color and we'll do the same as I have done it here. Keep it aside and wait for a few seconds. Now you can see both the nails got blossomed, the petals got blossomed, so I am going to put it for cure for 60 seconds. Now I'll paint this nail pink because we are going to do an ombre. Now for this nail, see the petals blossomed, it got blossomed. So I am going to take again the white color and we'll do the outline where the sun hits. This way it becomes very prominent. Now same thing I'm going to do with this nail. And we'll give it a cure. For this ombre nail, I'm going to give another coat of pink. Now these got cured. Now what I'm going to do is, I will take a matte top coat and will top it off with matte. Now we are going to ombre the snail. For that you require a sponge. Cut it off. This color was not showing, so I have taken Rosenell's gel pen. Gel pens are thick in nature. So I will take a little of it. See, you can see how thick it is. Now with this color, the color is not showing properly. In this case, what you are going to do, you will cure it and then I will show you what to do. Now these two nails got cured. I will take a no white top coat, glossy top coat, and we'll take a little over here. Then with the striper brush, I will just outline. Then we'll take a glitter. and will apply it on the nail. Will give it a cure. In the same way I will do this. Now coming back to this nail, you see the color did not come out properly. So in this case what we are going to do, we are going to sprinkle some clear acrylic on it. This will make the surface rough. Now let's try again with the gel pen, a lint. Can you see the difference? Again I'll apply some clear acrylic and then we'll cure it. Does the excess acrylic and then again you take the paint and you paint it. Here I want a little more intensifying the color. The gradient came out very beautiful. A little of pink can be added over here. Gradient comes out good. Done with this nail. I will mat this nail. Let's see what we can do with this nail. Now coming back to this nail, I will dust the glitter with a hard brush and see the effect. So beautiful. Same way I will do this. So beautiful. Can you see the effect? Now with this nail I will top it off with shiny top coat. And we'll cure this for only 30 seconds. These two nails are also ready. Now this nail is ready for chrome. I am using this chrome powder. It is a mermaid chrome powder. So you can use an applicator, but I am not using that. I am using my finger. Give it a rigorous rub. Then the more you rub, the more shiny it becomes. Now top it off with before topping it off, you dust the excess chrome powder, and then top it off with a shiny top coat. And be very sure that you don't move the chrome powder. Be very light-handed. Now for this nail I will use some blinks. And will make a swoosh. Now again with matte top coat, I will complete the nail. Don't go over the rhinestones, otherwise it will lose its shininess. So just touch the rhinestones, then it gives a longevity also, and together with that it doesn't lose its shine. So this is the final result after coming out from the lamp. So you can see how the nails are reflecting, even giving a matte top coat, and the combination, it's become very beautiful. Actually this is an inspiration, I have taken an inspiration from Natalie Mugridge. From her video, she gave me permission, she told me yes you can do it, then I have done it, so I recreated it. You also recreate the nail and show it to me in my Instagram. If you don't know that I also have an Instagram handle, and it is linked in the description. You can find it there. And how you liked it, let me know in the comments, and we'll bring more such videos like this type of videos. And before you go, please to like the video. If you liked the video, then only you give the like button, press the like button. And if you think that you can continue with this channel, then please do subscribe, and see you in the next video. Till then, see you. Chalo abar dekha.